Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and welcome back on my day 5 here in Japan. We're going out early. Oh my god, may usok yung bibig ko ngayon. We're going out early today because it's my birthday and we're joining a tour. It's going to be the Mount Fuji tour and we're gonna visit 5 other places other than Mount Fuji. Pero yung highlight is the Mount Fuji. I know you already saw on my previous video na I've already visited Mount Fuji, but then again hindi siya nagpakita kasi napaka-araw during that time. So I'll make sure na I check the weather today. Sana may clearing at hindi magbago kasi based dun sa weather app may clearing ngayon, so sana makita natin siya. I just booked this tour through Klook, so hindi na ako mahirapan sa pag-commute, pag-DIY. So join me, let's go and witness Mount Fuji and other areas sa, hindi ko alam kung anong prefecture na yun, but join me guys, let's go. Pupunta lang ako dun sa meet-up point sa may Tokyo Shin Marunouchi building. I'll show you later. We've made it guys sa meet-up point. Actually sa Tokyo Station lang siya. Yung Shin Marunouchi building sa ilalim ng beams. Ayan, yung sign na beams. Dito yung meet-up point. Actually lahat ng, or karamihan sa tours, dito nagme-meet-up point. So make sure na i-approach nyo lahat ng may flag bearer kung ano yung flag na sinasabi dun sa Klook tour na kinuha nyo. Kasi like 2 to 3 person yung may hawak na ganon. Just look for your specific guides so that tama yung masakyan nyo. Ayun. Naghintay na lang kami mag-8, then aalis na kami. You know what guys? Ang ganda ng paglabas yung Tokyo Station. May makikita kayong ganyan. Para siyang building sa UK or England. One of these days, hanggang Saturday pa naman ako. Let's go there. Let's tour rather. This is our group guys, and the one wearing hat with yellow vest, ayun. That's David, that will be our guide. We're already inside the bus guys, and we are going to the second meetup location, which is Shinjuku. It's 30 minutes away from here sa Tokyo Station. Yung other groups kasi dun nagpa-pick up. Actually, if you book the tour through Klook, you'll have an option to decide which meetup location you wanted to be picked up by the bus. Is it going to be the Tokyo Station or the Shinjuku Station? Hindi ko pinuli yung Shinjuku Station kasi medyo maze yung train station doon, so baka mawala ako. Mas madali actually i-manage yung Tokyo Station. That's why I choose to be picked up here. We're still on the bus guys, pero from the bus nagpapakita na yung Mount Fuji, and good thing ang ganda ng weather, super lino niya, and yung snow, grabe kitang kita na yung snow. Later I'll show you from the bus na nakikita na natin yung
near Mount Fuji area. If no Mount Fuji, it's only a countryside, but because of Mount Fuji, every year bring the local people very rich. And many Japanese young girl, when they find a boyfriend, I found a boyfriend. He's a monk. Oh,
mali lang yung nasakyan natin. Dapat pala we sat on the left side of the bus para nandun yung side kasi ni Mount Fuji pagpapunta tayo. Pero pag pauwi naman, nasa right side naman siya. Pero hopefully hindi pa madilim para mas makita natin siya. Later naman, mas makikita natin siya ng malapit. So, let's just wait. Ayun na siya guys. It's beautiful. We've made it to our first stop guys. This is Oishi park. Ito yung park na pinakamalapit and maganda yung sightings when seeing Mount Fuji. You can see it on my back na, guys. There, that's the Mount Fuji. Where is it? That's the Mount Fuji. We are just walking. I think the tour guide is... Oh, this is... Oh, Oshino Hakay pala ito, guys. Not Oishi. Oshino Hakay itong first stop natin. I think it has something to do with the lakes or ponds. Na may 8 ponds dito. Sa area nito. It's a village. Let's walk around. Ito yung place. Nakikita nyo, guys, yung mga puno, wala na siyang mga leaves. Kasi nga, pa-winter na. So, nalagas na siya. We're just following the tour guide. Just enjoy the view, guys. Nakita nyo yung, ayan, ang linis ng water nila. Ang linis ng body of water. Diba? Perfect. Sana ganito rin sa Philippines, diba? And malamig. Buti na lang kapag dala tayo ng coat. I'm not sure saan kami dinadala nito. Pero sabi ng guide, we have 50 minutes here to spare. And then we'll just take a picture first. Pero ang ganda ng lugar. It's a village and may mga kainan sa loob, guys. Ito siya, let me show you. Ayan. May big wheel pa doon. And then, ayun. May fish. Ito yung area. It's good. Ayan, may mga kainan dito, guys.
Balik po kayo mamaya.
Ayan. Takoyaki. And may mga Pinoy na nagtitinda dito, guys. Later, let's buy there. Bilang hindi pa tayo nagbe-breakfast. Where's the guide? Ang sarap ng weather. Sana laging ganito. Medyo marami lang tao, of course. Lahat kasi or karamihan sa tour, dumadaan talaga dito. It's one of the famous spot here. Pag mag-Mount Fuji tour kayo, aside from the Gotemba. Ganda ng park. We'll just take photo muna. And I see. Ayun yung Mount Fuji. Kita ba? Ayan, yan yung Mount Fuji. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Let's join them. This village, guys, has pasalubong store. So, if you're looking for a pasalubong, marami dito makikitang pasalubong. Ayan. Mga local products. And then, let's go to the main pond kung saan makikita natin yung mga fish na meron tong village na to, guys. Oh, this one is drinkable for 200 yen. Let's buy, guys. This is 200 yen. Wait, So, yung water dito sa Oshino Village is potable. So, we can drink this water. We'll just have to buy the bottles here. And then, lalagyan natin siya. Then, pwede natin siya bayaran dun sa may cashier na. Wait, mag-isa lang kasi ako. Then, babayaran natin siya dun sa cashier. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ganun siya, guys. And may water na tayo. Ang lamig niya. Ang lamig. Thank you, thank you. And then, ito yung main pond. Ito yung main pond nila, guys. Look at the fish. Ayun yung fish. This pond is 8 meters deep. And ang linaw ng water. Just to remind you guys. Ayun, ganda. Just to remind you guys, do not toss a coin. Kasi pinagbabawal nila yung pagtotoss ng coin doon. May fine na 1,000. Oh my god, look at this fish. It's color blue. I don't know if you can see it, but it's color blue. And may golden doon, then may black. Ayan, color blue siya. It's color blue siya, guys. And then ito yung area. Maganda tong village na to, guys. Oh my god. Remember to try drinking the water. Ito yung fish. Ayan. Ayan. May parang butas doon na dumadaan yung mga fish. It's nice. Ang daming mabibili. Let's buy some food also kasi nagugutom na ako. How to go out? I have to go back to go out. Hi there, Mount Fuji. Ito yung area, guys. May mga bilihan doon. Ayan. And then, ito yung lake. You know what, guys? Marami ring mga tindahan dito na Pinoy yung nagtitinda. So, buy to their store. I bought this Korean chicken something and it's nice.
Okay.
It's just 500
I bring
yen.
everybody to the main pond, but you were not there.
Pahinga muna tayo. Kanya pa ka naglalakad. We're still here, guys, sa Oshino Hakai, and bumili lang ako ng some snacks kasi hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. I have coffee and then this one. I think parang shrimp clams na ginawa siyang bread. Let's just eat here while we're waiting for the tour guide and the tour groups to arrive kasi hanggang 11 kami dito. Yung food na nabili ko, guys, para siyang kikiam. Kikiam na shrimp, clams, and onions. Ito siya. Yes. It's big, guys. Malaki. Para siyang kasing laki ng palm. Kaso, yung coffee, hindi na ganun kainit. Kasi nga, malamig yung weather. Dito ko umupo sa maaraw. Kasi malamig. Tumatagos sa coat yung lamig. And this is the view. Mount Fuji, ayun. Hello. Busy lahat ng tao sa pag-take ng pictures. Well, tayo rin naman. Meron na tayong magandang pictures na nakuha. But still contemplating kung ano yung i-upload. Kasi baka may mas maganda pa tayong mapuntahan. And then, baka mas maganda yung pictures doon. Pero, I already have pictures with Mount Fuji today. I'm thankful kasi nagpakita siya in full sight. Kasi last time I was here, it's summer. Imagine that, it's summer but hindi siya nagpakita kasi cloudy. Ayan. We've reached the second location and this is Ara Kurayama Sengen Park. Let's see what's inside. Ano makikita natin. And actually, katabi lang siya ng Shimo Yoshida Station. So, if you wanted to do a DIY, ito yung i-search yung station para makarating dito sa Arakurayama Park or Arakurayama Sengen Park. Look at the countryside of Japan, guys. Ito yung mala probinsya nilang area. Look at the autumn leaves. It's changing its colors. And then, may train dito. Ayun, diba? As I've said, katabi lang siya ng Shimo Yoshida train station. So, ayan. Makikita natin yung mga train. See? Look at the color of the leaves, guys. So, it's changing na. Autumn na talaga yung vibes. Malapit na tayo, guys. I think from the drop-off point ng bus, you have to walk 5 to 8 minutes papunta dun sa mismong entrance ng park. And look at the entrance of the park. It's beautiful. May mga maple leaf pa siya. Ayan yung mga color red. So beautiful, diba? Okay. Let's go inside. These are the maple leaf, guys. Ang ganda. See? Hindi tayo makakuha. Kuha tayo ng magandang photo. It's nice. Thank you.
You're a YouTuber.
Let's go upstairs to see ano pang meron sa taas. Medyo mahirap lang umakyat kasi hindi siya concrete. Hindi concrete yung dadaanan nyo. May maliliit na, hiningil ako. Medyo maliliit na graba na ganyan. Papunta doon sa taas. So mag-ingat, may chances na madulas kayo, guys. Let's go up and see what's upstairs. Marami pang maple leaf dito, guys. Ayan. May other tour na dadaan sa parang maple leaf aisle. So mas maganda yung ganun. Pero itong tour na nakuha ko, sadly hindi siya dadaan kasi may other spots siya na priorities. Ayan, and ayun yung gate, guys. That's why you have to wear comfortable shoes kasi you have to walk, you have to climb stairs, paakyat. Make sure may water din kayo. And then ito yung gate. Ayun yung gate, guys. Wait, bilisan na natin. So from here, guys, ayun yung view ng Mount Fuji. It's so beautiful. Ayun yung Mount Fuji, guys. Sadly, it's just against the light. Siguro kung hapon tayo pumunta dito, mas maganda yung kita natin sa Mount Fuji. But it's nice, ha? Guys, si Mount Fuji, super ganda. Grabe. Like, kumikinang parang silver yung top niya dahil sa ice. Very beautiful. And then, ito yung Arakurayama Sengen Park. Ayan siya. And then, ayan yung view ng Mount Fuji. Beautiful. Ayan, guys, may ganito. I think it's a shrine or a temple. And then ang ganda din itong pataas na to. Pero may sinasabi parang may mga wild boar. Ayan, or bear ba yan? See, ang ganda. Ayan, may pataas pa siya doon pero parang hindi ko na kayang akyatin guys. Hanggang dito lang tayo sa baba. Pero maganda siya. Ito yung aisle. Siguro kung nasa middle ka, tapos ganyan yung picture. So beautiful. See? Ayan. We're done with the park guys. I'll just quickly go or run dun sa Lawson sa convenience shop para bumili ng makakain habang nasa biyahe. Kasi itong tour na to wala siyang kasamang lunch. So we have to buy our own lunch. Bilisan lang natin. Yung Lawson ay just 2 minutes walk dun sa intayin ng bus. So bumaba ako ng maaga from the park para makapamili. This is the Lawson guys. Oh my god, ang init dito. You know what yung Lawson nila or mga convenience store nila, may mga ganito printing shop, ATM at kung ano-ano pa. Everything that you need. Oh, may toilet dito. Hindi ko na kayo itutour dito sa convenience shop kasi bibili lang talaga ako. Later na or maybe we can do separate vlog for the convenience store. Ano yung mga makikita. We are now on our third destination guys. Kasi hindi ako nakinig kanina kung anong area na to or anong name na nitong park na to. But it's another park. Let me go ahead and check what's the name. Medyo lakaran na naman siya. So, anong area na daw to ate?
Yung Healing Village.
Healing Village. Hindi rin ako nakinig. Healing. Hindi rin nakinig yung iba kong kasama. I think it's Healing Village. But let's see. Baka later makita natin ano yung name nitong place na to. But it's it's the third destination. Pretty sorry. Hindi ako makapagbigay ng maraming information. I'm just enjoying the trip, the view, ganyan. Ganda guys ang mga colors ng trees dito. Ayun o. Ayan. Probinsya na dito. Puro puno. Ayan. Yung mga maple tree meron pa dito. See? They're beautiful. Look at that. Mahabang lakaran na naman to, so kaya natin to. Let's go. And then dito may body of water, pero konti lang yung water guys. Ayan siya. Ang ganda dito. Ayan o. See, tapos ang konti pa ng tao. Dito ang ganda o. Yan. So, maganda. Later mag-take tayo ng photos dito. Siguro, bilisan lang natin sa loob. Huwag tayo masyadong magtagal. Para makakuha tayo ng magandang photo. Nasa entrance na tayo guys, and then may mini pond dito. Ayan, may mga isda sa pond. Ang linis, diba? And then yung bilihan ng ticket. Yung name pala nito ay Saiko Iyashi. Para siyang village na inayos ng government nila para maging tourist spot.
Habang natural lahat, may bibe talaga din.
Totoo. Tapos yung bawat bawat houses may kanya-kanyang ino-offer.
True.
Pero hindi na natin afford mag kimono kasi konti lang yung
May laki ng fish dito.
Totoo. At saka ang linis talaga oh. Kitang-kita mo naman yung kanal, diba? Ayan oh. Yung kanina dun sa may blue na fish.
Oo.
Diba? Oh. If you're planning to do DIY, guys, these are the prices. Yun guys, yung mga houses dito, or yung makikita nyo dito, yung houses gawa yun sa branches ng trees, parang nipa cut sa atin. Tapos each houses, they offer different products. Like this one, it's museum. The other one, if you wanted to like try their kimonos, you can try that. Doon, I think cafes or sake something. Ganun yung mga in-offer nila. And heads up, medyo paakyat yung trail. So, nakakapagod siya. Ayan siya guys. So, since medyo elevated na, umakit na ako ng konti. Kita nyo yung mga houses na ni-renovate ng government. The roof is made of branches of trees. So, nagugol talaga yung government nila ng budget para maging tourist spot to. Ito yung isa sa mga house. I think yung ina-offer nito ay mga woodworks, figurines, ganyan. Mga store siya. Ayan, may mga price siya. Ito coaster. Ayan. Mga cute stuff yung ina-offer nila. 400, 600, mga cups, mga tea something. May tumatanggap sila ng cards if you're thinking ano yung mga payment method. Ayan. So remember guys, each house offer different products, so make sure na i-visit nyo yung each house if you're planning to like really shop here for souvenirs. Dito tayo sa area kanina. Doon tayo sa side papasok. Ito yung pa-exit na side. Ang ganda. Kita niyo yung color. Alright guys, we've already reached the last destination. It is the Lake Kawaguchiko. And the back of it, there's a view of Mount Fuji, guys. There's the Mount Fuji. Look at how beautiful. And then may ganito siya. I think if it's springtime, may mga colors to. I think this is the one color red. Kasi may mga flowers dito. And that's it. Look at the view. See the view. It's beautiful.
That's the problem. We live so far from
May flowers din dito. And then the Mount Fuji is there. See how beautiful. Meron din siyang cafe sa loob, and then sa labas marami rin mga restaurant. So if it so happen na nakuha yung tour wala ring meal katulad ng sa akin, don't worry, marami kayong mabibili ng food. Ito. I think during spring maganda dito kasi maraming flowers. That's the countryside. Ang daming tao ngayon, gabi. There, ayun yung Mount Fuji. Right now, natatabunan na siya ng ulap. Hindi na tayo magpipicture sa kanya kasi ang dami niya ng exposure sa vlog na to. Although, siya naman talaga yung highlight ng tour na to kasi nga Mount Fuji tour, diba? Ayun, chill lang yung natin. Itinerary, hindi naman siya masyadong hardcore, hindi nakakapagod. lakaran, ganyan. Pero, oh, I forgot to tell you, it costs 143 ringgit sa Klook. So, more or less, 1,500 to 600 in pesos naman. So, if you're thinking ng price. There. Ito yung cafe. May mga ice cream, guys. I forgot to tell you, you should try eating ice cream sa malamig na weather. It's nice. So, naglalakad-lakad lang tayo, guys, along Lake Kawaguchiko, just enjoying the nature. And, see, kitang-kita natin yung Mount Fuji, although natatakpan siya ng clouds, pero may parts pa rin naman nakita siya. Look at Mount Fuji. There, I think during spring magko-color red tong mga to. It's so nice. I visited one of the restaurant here in Shinjuku. Dito na ako sa second pickup point. Nagpa-drop off para kumain din ng dinner. And then ito yung dinner natin. So, I think I wanted this. Ayan. Pipili lang dito. Next. Meat dish, soy garlic. Fried potatoes, wala na. Coca-Cola. Nag-water lang ako. Small size, large. Siguro medium lang ako. Masyadong marami na. Green onion. Ito yung mga additional. Confirm order. Ay, ba't wala?
Orange juice.
Well, I've done that. I've big
Ang hirap naman. This can help. I want the tameshi. This one, medium. This one, medium.
Medium.
Yeah. This one. And then confirm? No.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Okay. Saglit lang, magpapatulong ata siya. Medyo challenge yung pag-order. Wait, magpapatulong siya. Naka-order kayo? Medyo mahirap. Kasi hindi siya nag-add eh. Hindi ko maintindihan. Na-add mo? Hindi nga siya na-add eh. Here's our food, guys. Me also. Thank you. It's beef, guys. Hindi na ba mainit? Hindi sa ilalim. Nagulat ako sa in-order. Dami.